on baby grasshopper. We were doing tree pose, a bunch of balancing related things, which I'm great at. And then baby grasshopper, I didn't realize that I could do it. I'm gonna insert a video of me trying to do it when I get home. And then I figured out a way to practice my crow pose without, you know, face planting. And that's the problem, is I want to get better at it. And I just can't get my back to bend enough where I can hold myself, which just sounds strange. But again, here's another video.
You're supposed to be able to grab that leg, but I'm nowhere close.
Anyways, it's like the perfect height for me to put my head on so that I can practice against the wall, so that I'm still like holding all my weight up and using my arms and getting that nice stretch, that strength in. But I'm also not like terrified that I'm gonna face plant and injure myself like I have in the past. And here's a crow without using the wall. You're supposed to be able to go like this, and then right here your knees are like way up here. I just can't. I don't work like that. So right here, like I get tiptoes, I can get one, I could switch it, and that's what they tell you in class, so you can build the core strength. Just can't get two in class. I feel like that just like is what's holding me back. I tip too far forward and my whole body just goes with. And you're supposed to be able to get yourself down more. I just don't stretch like that. But yet, the power of yet, as I would tell my students.
Happy Saturday, friends, from me and my fixed eyebrows. My favorite thing to do to prep for picture day. It looked red for a while, but it looks so nice.
Okay, welcome back. Happy Saturday. It's only been like a half hour since I got my eyebrows done and we're almost back to normal. You look ridiculous walking through the mall with your eyebrows all red, but the place has been there for like 6 years, so I feel like it's just normal to see girls walking by, or guys, I don't discriminate, with a really red forehead. I've been going there since college, and you think my eyebrows would just eventually get the clue that those little hairs are not wanted. It looks so nice. I'm very fortunate that I have a lot of eyebrow hair. I don't have to do any coloring in or shading in, or some people have to do like the little tattooing, tinting stuff. I don't have to do any of that. My eyebrows just need a routine haircut every 3 months or so. So welcome to getting ourselves ready for back to school. Picture day ready, check. One of these days I'll get a haircut, but we don't have picture day until meet the teacher, so that's about a week away. So we'll get a haircut eventually in there. I just wanted to get my eyebrows out of the way because it's in a different city from where I live. We also hit up the mall. Shields is a Midwestern store. They have lots of like sports equipment, sportswear, really good shoes, really good brands. It can be a little pricey, but it's totally worth it to have a place to go to in person and not have to do anything online. I've had a gift card to Shields since like volleyball season in April, and it was $100. And every time I go there, I can't figure out what I want to get because I see all these like sweatshirts and pants. Like we're talking like a $40 Under Armour sweatshirt, a $70 pair of Nike pants. I don't want to pay that price because when I go to Ross, I see them for $12. So I've had this gift card forever because I'm so indecisive on what I want. Do I actually need anything? Absolutely not. We all know I have plenty of clothing, plenty of options. So I've been watching the website hoping that these UGG Tasmans would come and be available. I got the little notification that they were in store. So that was kind of the push I needed to get here and spend my gift card. It's the slipper style. I know a lot of people wear these out in public. This is going to be my at-home slipper, and my at-home slipper is going to go to school for all those days when I'm regretting my shoe choice or I just have like sore feet. So we've got these. Not planning on them ever leaving the house. I also was wandering by Charlotte Russe, which was around when I was in college. Then I think the company went bankrupt and now they're back. I was just walking by the store and they had this little, they had a little Halloween pajama selection. So the shirt and the shorts together were $6, a little set. So talk spooky to me. They also had a bunch that were like wine related. I try not to buy anything with alcohol references. In the off chance that there's like a pajama day and I want to wear that top, or like if that was the pants version, pajama day at school, or even just like a plain old t-shirt, like I could wear that to Walmart, but not with an alcohol reference on it. So anyways, I try to stay away from the wine related things. I also had a gift card to Bath and Body Works. These were like on sale, $5.98. I think it's from the summer collection, but I also had a coupon for a free little hand cream. And this is my absolute favorite one from Bath and Body, the vanilla buttercream. So I spent like $4 on those two things. And then a Hobby Lobby is a pretty new addition to our mall, I would say. I mean, I guess it's not that new anymore. Sometimes I forget that like 2020, good old COVID, was like 4 years ago. It doesn't seem like it was that long ago. But anyways, I saw someone online that had these, and I have these as well. These little storage containers are so nice because I love that they're clear. I have one at home that I keep my Harry Potter pins in, and now they have like a glittery version, so I wanted to get the gold glittery version. I think I'm gonna put my body jewelry in there, like all my upper earrings. Like these are different gauges than the ones that I would wear down here. And right now they're just floating around in a jewelry drawer. And then I was walking by the snow cones. So this is $3.29 for, I don't know, maybe this is a dozen. We made snow cones last year at school and the bowl worked out just fine. But I think this will fit better under my snow cone machine. I love snow cones. And then in the spring shop, this was so fun. This is a beaded purse strap. These are so expensive. And the spring shop was 90% off. Who pays $43 for a purse strap? Not me. $4 for a purse strap? Yes, that's me. Beaded pink. That is so cute. If you got a Hobby Lobby, go check it out. Mine still had like 10 left. Like, and I can't believe that because like the beaded bracelet trend is really in right now. I can only assume that people didn't realize that it was a purse strap and they're just like, what is this? We are headed to Ross. We're totally off our normal schedule. That's okay. So headed into Ross. The only thing we actually need is, I was using Dan's bathroom this morning because I was out of toothpaste, and I came to the realization that that man has the nastiest shower curtain liner. In the apartment we have the same shower, so I was well aware on the cleanliness issues that occurred there. Well, now that there's 3 bathrooms, I haven't been in that one in a while, and I was like, oh my god, how are you living that way? So that's like the only thing we gotta grab today. Ross was an absolute zoo, but I wasn't surprised, you know, back to school shopping. I'll show you the little haul when we're done here at TJ Maxx, which usually has many registers open and it's not so crazy. Okay, we are waiting in line to order some Panda Express. I feel like I haven't had this for a couple of weeks because I've been on a Taco Bell kick, but orange chicken sounded delicious. So at TJ Maxx, I got gray because he doesn't even use a curtain. He just literally uses the liner. So at least if it's gray, it looks nice. I mean, come on, men. Didn't have a tag on it, and I'd seen them like weeks prior, and I absolutely know that the original price of these was not $6.99. It was like 20 something for the set of 4, but when I found it, it was just the 3 hanging out in the clearance section. And so the lady was like, oh yeah, most of those coasters are $6.99, and since you're missing one, it's $4. These are beautiful, so amazingly cute. Very, very excited about these. Got some underwear, so exciting. Yes, great TJ Maxx haul. We love it when it's just like the necessities and not random junk. I've gotten so much better though at not bringing home random junk, and I think part of that is because I don't do any decorative stuff, and because the living room downstairs is entirely like not finished. It's still in its old lady prime from when we bought it. I haven't wanted to bother doing anything with that living room. I'm not tempted to buy like different furniture items or pillows or blankets or anything like that because it's just ugly all around, so I just don't want to try fixing it until we get the carpet out and flooring in, but that'll be a while because we have to knock a wall out. At Ross though, we had a lot of success. I've said this before, I'm in my skort era, and I found this Athleta skort, this in green color. I don't have one. Not only does it have pocket on the side, it has pockets in the back. Could anything be better? Really, 4 pockets in female clothing is something amazing. And it was $12.99. I've never actually been to an Athleta or been to their website. I just get the stuff when I see it at Ross because I like it. And then I found these pants. They're the North Face. Technically, they're like a jogger situation. Don't think I can actually wear it to Walmart because it's not like a button zipper situation. Hold on. Hi, I'm gonna get the orange chicken bowl with half white rice and half of the super greens.
Absolutely. What else can I get you?
I'll do the cream cheese ragoons and that's it. I'm feeling white rice. Usually I get fried, but just feeling white rice. How boring of me. Anyways, these pants are like a jogger. And so technically it's against the Walmart dress code, which is ridiculous. It's got the pockets on the side, carpenter style, I think that's what that's called. Retails for $100. I got them for $25, and this brown color is like the perfect professional-ish sort of color. The exact thing that a special education teacher needs, comfy pants that look professional. And then I bought a $2.99 hairbrush. Thanks, Ross. I went and grabbed gas, and then I got a little pumpkin cream cold brew. Can't wait to go home, eat my orange chicken.
Hideous living room carpet I was talking about. So these are my current at-home slippers. From the top, they seem fine. The bottoms, though, are pretty trashed, but perfect for a school year slipper.
First thing I do when I get home is I unpackage all of my things. I put things in the wash that need to be washed. In this case, I'm just gonna put this in Dan's bathroom. Excuse me, Cheyenne, I'm not talking to you. First thing first, get rid of the shoebox. Funny story, Dan has no clue that I've bought new shoes if the box is nowhere to be found. So, first order of business, get rid of the evidence. He's not one to be like, oh my God, you have too many shoes, but like, he has 4 pairs of shoes and I have 40, 400, I don't know.